All right, if you choose to compose, what's good about composition is you can always complete the shape and you can always compose and it will work. So if you do that, you're going to make a rectangle around the shape that you're trying to find the area for. And then always look back and see, do you have a complete rectangle? Yes or no? The other thing you got to check for is to see that the pieces that you're going to remove, are they triangles or rectangles? Because if they're odd shapes, then it's not going to work. So what I'm going to do is I find the whole rectangle, and I'm going to substitute, or I'm going to subtract what's going to amount to 4 triangles from the whole. All right, I'm going to number everything. Since I'm already in green, we'll call this triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3. Call that 4. All right? Okay. I'm going to do the whole. Base and height. What's the base? What's the height? I don't remember. Actually, I do have it here, but I did it with decomposition.
12.
And the height? What's the product, Matt? All right. The whole is done. Triangle 1. Matt, take me through it. Is your triangle 1 upper left?
Yeah.
Okay. Does your numbers match up? 1, 2, 3, 4? Okay, good. Triangle 1.
A equals 2 plus 8.
No, see, that's not your triangle 1. You just gave me triangle 2. All right, I'll do it.
What?
It's not this is not a 2 by 8 triangle.
Oh, wait. Oh, it's 5 by 8 times 8.
5 by 8, okay. Just make sure because my numbers might not match up with yours. And that's 20. Triangle 2. Matt, it's my upper right. Let me see which one it is for you. Let me just double check.
This one was a
You
rectangle,
have,
and I skipped that one.
all right, that's your 2 by 8. Eight.
Yeah.
3. Ready? 3 is your lower left? Yeah. God bless. All right, go, Matt.
Oh, that counts that.
Yes. Just double checking.
And then I got 17.9.
Yeah, it's a crazy number, but you'll see it'll cancel it. It'll cancel out when you do the fourth one. All right, 4. Wait, let me get the formula down. All right, go.
5 times 5.
Mm-hmm. 12.5, right. All right, I have all the numbers I need. So now, look, just so you know what I'm doing, the whole, take away my 4 triangles. Well, I'm going to take my 4 triangles, I'm going to add it right now. I'm going to get all my 4 triangles added, which you do a calculator, I'm going to do it in my head. 17.5 times 12 plus 12.5 is 30. Plus 20 is 50. Plus 8 is 58. I'm going to subtract that from my 156. And you get 98 square units. And that's our answer.
Yep.
98 square units. Some of you are getting it, but not enough. And it was a difficult shape. How many of you decomposed? All right, I'll just show you what it looks like on the inside, but I'm not actually going to do it. If you decompose, you wind up doing a line here, a line here, and a line here. And that creates internal triangle 1, I'll call it 5, just so you don't get confused. A rectangle here, another triangle here, and another triangle here. And in all of those internal triangles, you have to have a base and a height that's measurable. So you can't have 3 diagonals. 3 diagonals in any triangle will not work. So I have a base for 5, and I have a height for 5. 6 is absolutely good because you have a base and a height. 7 is good. Base and height. And look, base for 8 and a height for 8. It would work. Okay? And then you got to add those pieces and you'll get 98 square units. Karen?
I just did a lot.
Assuming that we're not going to create the trap, so I know you can do it. We're dealing in triangles and rectangles and squares. Did you get 98? So it does work. Okay. The next one, I'm just going to read off the answers. Okay? That's this one. If you did this correctly, I don't know. What'd you get? I don't have my key with me. Oh, here's my key. You have an area. I would decompose with this. If you composed, you got to do an extra step. If you composed, okay, you still have to break this up to find this and this to subtract it from the whole. I think it's an extra step. I think if you decompose, you get a line here and a line here, and you have 3 clear shapes. It works. That's the way I would do it. I think it's easier. 114 square units. 114 square units for the area. CC.
Yeah, I did hard.
That's fine too. If you go horizontally, it will work also. 1 shape, 2 shapes, 3 shapes, that's fine too. I think decomposition is easier than composition. Well, why don't you just come up and show it? How many shapes did you wind up making?
3.
Show it to me. You did one. Did you do one way and one the other way?
Yeah.
That's fine too.
Alright.
All right, show it to me. Yeah, okay. Erase everything. Erase everything. How many had 114 square units for the area? It's better than the first one. That's fine too. What'd you get for perimeter? What'd you get? 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 What'd you get?
58.
What'd you get?
58.
56.
58. 56.
Did you do it the way I showed it to you to do it?
Yes.
58's the answer. Honestly, guys, don't blow a perimeter question on the exam on Friday. It's simple as counting boxes and labeling sides and adding single digit, maybe 2-digit numbers. Okay? All right? Be careful with that. You will have a calculator for everything, yes. Okay, let's go on to lessons 11 through 13. It will not be on the test, but it will be on the next quiz after the test.